Welcome to today's lesson. Our lesson is about using a or an. We should always use a or an before a singular noun. We can never say just camera alone, we should say a camera. Look at the word. If the word starts with a vowel sound, please be careful, it's vowel sounds and not letters. A, E, I, O, U. We put n before that, for example, an apple. An electrician. An hour. An apple or a banana. An old book. An airport. An organization. An economic problem. If the word starts with a consonant sound and not the letter, we put a before that. A taxi. A window. A horse. A hat and an umbrella. A new airport. A nurse. A shop assistant. A taxi driver. A photographer. Please look at the word university. It starts with U and it is a consonant sound, so we say a university. Similarly, we say a European country. Well done. Now, when you make a sentence about yourself or others talking about jobs, we should always put a or an before jobs. I am a dentist. He is an engineer. Are you a student? My brother is an artist. There is a formula in English. A or an plus adjective plus noun. For example, it's a beautiful day. It's a small animal. Joe is a very nice person. When you describe something and say what it is, you use a or an. Look at these examples. The sun is a star. Football is a game. Dallas is a city in Texas. A mouse is an animal. A duck is a bird. A carrot is a vegetable. Tennis is a game. A hammer is a tool. Everest is a mountain. Saturn is a planet. A banana is a fruit. The Amazon is a river. A rose is a flower. A trumpet is a musical instrument. Now answer me with the right sentence. You see a woman waiting for a bus at the stop and you say. Make a sentence about a program you watch on TV and it is interesting. Please paraphrase my sentences. Rachel works in a bank. I am unemployed now. Mike's house is old. Tom doesn't put a hat on his head. A bookshop is the place where Rebecca works. I don't have the ability to be on a bike. Say about your decision for asking me a question. Jane has an idea of starting to learn a language which is not her mother tongue. You are in a cafe. You drank a cup of coffee, you liked it and want to say to bring you a cup of coffee again. What do you say?